If incoming calls from WhatsApp do not display on your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, let me show you what you can do to try to solve this issue. So first of all, what you can do is you can check if you have Do Not Disturb mode activated. The easiest way to check it is by going to the Control Center or Quick Settings. By default, the DND mode is located in here in this Modes button, so of course if it is activated, there is a chance that you will not see incoming calls if someone calls you from WhatsApp. In fact, you might not even see calls from the phone app as well. If that is not the case, if the DND mode is not active and you still cannot see incoming calls, then you can just simply open the settings in here. Then we're gonna go to apps, and then you need to open WhatsApp. So you can either choose it in here if you have it listed in this menu, or you can go to the list of all apps, scroll down, and go to WhatsApp. So here, first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to notifications. You want to make sure that all notifications are enabled. You can also go to those unused categories, and we can try to find stuff like, for example, message notifications. Although this is for chat, if you of course want to make sure that it is being displayed. We have the other notifications, critical app alerts, and so on and so forth. Generally speaking, I would just make sure that everything in here is enabled, because why not? We want to make sure that everything is on, so everything is being displayed on our phone. You can of course make sure that allow full screen notifications is enabled as well, and you can jump to additional settings inside of the app in order to check notifications in WhatsApp Messenger app, and make sure that all important notifications are enabled, especially those that are related to sending messages and calling. Besides that, another thing that we can do is we can go to permissions, and in here we want to make sure that all the necessary permissions are allowed. In my case, I only have notifications enabled, and we can of course allow access to call logs. We can also make sure that the camera is allowed. Of course, for the sake of calling, maybe camera is not specifically required, but of course, since we are adjusting permissions, we want to make sure that all the important permissions are granted. So of course we can choose, for example, allow only while using the app. We can of course grant access to contacts, to the microphone, there we go, music and audio, nearby devices, phone, definitely, this one is definitely one of the most important ones, SMS as well, and of course photos and videos if you want to share some photos and videos later. So more or less this is how it should be. The location is not really that important. If you don't want to share the location with WhatsApp, then I don't think it's really necessary to allow the app to use it. But the rest of these permissions, you probably want to make sure that they are enabled in here. And besides that, going back to, actually no, we are not going to go to notifications. We're gonna go back to the settings. In here, if you open notifications, then we should be able to find notifications on lock screen. So if you have hidden conversations and notifications, this can also be the reason why you cannot see incoming calls. So just for now, and only for now of course, we can switch to make sure that all content of notifications are being displayed on the lock screen, just to check if that makes any difference, especially of course if you cannot see incoming calls on the lock screen. And besides that, I actually want to go back to the WhatsApp settings in here, to the app info over here, just like we were before. One more thing that I actually forgot to mention is of course the storage and cache. And the first thing that you can do is you can simply clear cache on your phone off the WhatsApp. Then you want to open the app and check if WhatsApp calls are being shown. If not, make a backup of your conversations in WhatsApp, all your chats and messages and so on and so forth, and then you want to clear the storage. However, of course, if you clear the storage, you will also be locked out, so make sure that you are able to log back into your account, which shouldn't be, of course, that difficult, but of course, just in case, you want to make sure that you can. And remember about the backup, because if you do clear storage and you don't make a backup, then all your messages are probably going to be removed. So make sure that you have backup enabled. And then of course we can clear the storage in order to check if that helps. And last but not least, you can just completely uninstall the app and then install it one more time. This can also be helpful. So I believe that is all that we can do in order to try to fix our issue with the calls not showing on Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.